Or if you want to also compute the RVI, just a minute. Suppose I want to compute the RVI in this area, or identify what vegetation. So we already get the image. Okay, we already have the composite of image. So we create a function. So take a variable, suppose add RVI, and call the function, suppose img. My argument is that I want to take a variable. So just take a variable base. I put here equal, I call the image and select the base band. Then take the another variable, suppose vb image, and select the band of vb. Okay, then take the variable, suppose RVI, and apply the formula base dot multiply 4 or 4.04 or divided, then divided by vb, add with base. So this is the formula. Okay, and I dot rename it as RVI. Okay, so now we are just creating the RVI, and I want to just return this image at bands RVI. And if you want, you can also just connect. So this is a function, simply connect with your collection. So this is my collection. Where is my collection? This is S1. Okay, so it's my collection. So this is my collection. So if you want, you can also, okay, so if you want, you can simply write the function. This function, simply copy and paste above the line of SB1, and then connect. So for the connect, just use here the .map function, and call the function variable name add RVI. So now all of bands, all of image connecting the new band of RVI. So if you check, suppose print S1 and run the code. So now it added the new band, all of image added the new band. This band name is the RVI. Okay, which is indicating about the radar vegetation index. If you check the bands, RVI. So I want to create the RVI map. So for that, just take a variable, suppose RVI, call the S1, and select the band of RVI. Just simply select the band name RVI, and I create, suppose, average mean. So now display. So map dot add layer, and call the RVI and run the code. So now it's added the another layer for RVI. We find out. So this layer, just click on here, RVI, and further we add the color, suppose and apply, and import for RVI. So now again, so you can easily identify the water body. Okay, low vegetation, water body. Also, you can get the high vegetation. You can see green color is indicating about the high vegetation. This is the one kind of vegetation index map. Okay, and it's very helpful. Cloudy region, you can easily identify. Okay, you can easily identify it's a water body, river.
Yes, yes.
And you can also from here you can also get the cropland or the vegetation. This type of things you can easily identify using the RVI, as well as same process you can say apply and make the RVI times richer. So I also get the idea about that. So now we talk about the soil moisture using Sentinel-1 data, because it's very helpful to identify soil moisture. So further we need the ground truth data to check the further accuracy or root mean square error. Okay, so in this time we are using the calibration equation. So this type of equation we try to apply, and then for the further checking we need the ground truth data for checking the accuracy of your model.